Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make a very easy melt and pour soap project for beginners, kiwi soap. I like to prepare my ingredients beforehand. To mimic the kiwi seeds, we are going to use poppy seeds. Let's choose the colorant as well. Here is a pistachio green mica that we will use for the kiwi color. Let's go ahead and prepare our clear melt and pour soap base that I'm going to cut in smaller chunks to make the melting process easier. I will transfer this soap to a double boiler, but you can use a microwave as well. Once your soap is fully melted, you want to add your colorant and give it a good mix to get everything nicely incorporated. Fragrance your soap once you are happy with the coloration, according to the usage rates of your fragrance supplier, and mix well again. We are now ready for the pour. Here is the mold that I'm going to use, and I'm going to leave some links in the description for some inspiration if you want to check it out. There are also links to ingredients and tools that I am using or recommending. If you see some air bubbles at the surface, you can simply spritz them away with some rubbing alcohol. It's time to add the poppy seeds to mimic the kiwi seeds, and I'm going to distribute it a little bit and make sure that it gets to the bottom of the mold, since this will be the front side of our soap, so to speak. Then allow the soap to completely harden before unmolding. Take the soap slices out of the mold when completely hard. With the use of an apple corer, we are going to create a hole in the middle of the kiwi slice, so we can add the white part in the middle. Place your soap back into the cavities and press firmly. With the use of some white soap or some clear melt and pour soap colored with a white colorant, add the white part into the holes. I start with a thin layer to avoid the soap to get underneath the green soap and bleed, so to speak. Then I'm going to fill the rest of the cavity to the top. Allow it to cool again and then unmold. Here is a cool soap you can give away as a gift or use yourself for some fun in the shower. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing if you're interested in more soap making creations or skincare DIY. Also, hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. I hope to see you around here very soon for another video, and in the meantime, I wish you a wonderful day. Bye bye!